Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, cruise control, steering wheel controls, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2017 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, rear defrost. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.